Hello everyone, I'm Karen D'Angola from Di Jones and we are here in Rouse Hill, one of the most convenient locations that you can purchase in and around the hills at the moment. We are in a beautiful Rawson home, specced up to the max with everything that you could possibly want, and it's in near new condition. I invite you to come and take a look around this beautiful home. As you can see, it is a very beautiful home with 5 generous bedrooms, a huge amount of living space and a brilliant backyard for the kids to play in. Not only that, we are so conveniently located. We are just up the road from Tallawong metro station and not too far further to Rouse Hill Town Centre. And of course, as the Hills is always known for, we have an abundance of brilliant schools. So I'm Karen D'Angola from Di Jones. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. And I look forward to seeing you soon.